Hey everybody, on this episode of Mr. Fix, first start of the year for the Ariens. It's a brand new machine, won't start. Why? Because the old man doesn't believe in premium fuel. So then his son got to come here and got to fix the problem. Now, you'll see it on the internet. A lot of people tell you 10 mil socket. If you look at the carburetor, look at the carb, there's one right here. This is the one, not the other one. That's a jet. This one here is like a drain. Make sure to turn off your fuel. Then you undo it, clean it out. Make sure to pump a couple of times afterwards. Get a little device here like I had to drain it. Once you clean it all out, make sure there's fresh fuel in there. Give it a couple primes and it should go. I did it and it worked first shot. So it was really good. It really works. Bad gas stays in there, and at the start of the season, not good, especially when you're getting snow. You want to be able to fire it up first shot. So don't leave it to the last minute. Try it beforehand. Get rid of your bad gas. Stick with the premium on these little small motors and the lawnmowers, and you'll be fine. And good luck to you in cleaning out your carb at the start of the season for that big winter dump that we're going to get. All right? Thanks for watching. Mr. Fix.